You wanted farts. You got farts. I'm laying down. It still gives me gas. Laying down, standing up, fart, fart, fart. I gotta stop eating dairy products. Horrible. ifarton.com. For all your fart merchandise. Woo! I stand up, and the gas just comes back. Ugh. Hey, Dr. Long Farts. Why does this sound so weird? You tell me. I fart on couches. I'm on a roll tonight. Till my wife gets home. No dialogue this time. Just a fart. This won't stop. And I don't think I wanted to. Showtime! This is my last one tonight. Wifey's gonna be home any minute. And I can't do that when she's sitting next to me. Okay, maybe just one more. Whoa! Now I'm in the kitchen. It won't stop. This one's gonna have some power. Was I wrong? This is like 10 seconds later. That was angry. I'm watching Wolverine right now. Makes me feel like a mutant. This is my superpower. 3 seconds later. About 30 seconds after the other one. God. Someone's outside. This is getting ridiculous. In a great way.